Hi, if you're a real estate agent, especially a listing agent, this video is for you. I've been an agent for 10 years. My name is Andrew, and I came across this tool about 6 months ago, and I've been using it, and it's really helped me with my circle prospecting. Let me share it with you because it's just a few clicks. You can be right on the way to sending hundreds of cards right around your listings. So the product is called Just Listed, Just Sold. And when you click in, follow the link in the text below, you'll come to this landing page where you put in your name and your state. Then you click Next. So now it goes out and searches the internet. It's actually searching your Zillow profile. So it's going to find all your active listings here. It's going to find all your sold listings here. As you can see, I've got over 240 recently sold listings. And it's also going to capture my name and my contact information. So it's going to populate that. And here you see it's got my just listed, my just sold right here. If I don't see them, I can click here and I can update that data. So now I'm going to click this property, this just listed, because I want to send circle prospecting cards around this property. So I'll click that, and it's going to go out to the internet and find the pictures of that property, the pricing, and all of the details. So in just a minute, you're going to see that populate here on the screen. And there it is. There's a couple of different templates. I prefer this one in the lower right-hand corner. So I'll click on that one. And you'll see it's populating that again. There we have it. So I'm going to look that over. Just listed. That's the physical address. That's my name. If for some reason I wanted a different picture than the one that's pictured, I have the ability to upload by clicking this button right here. But this is just fine, so I'm going to go ahead and confirm the preview. Now we're going to the back of the card. And the great thing here is it's populated my face, my logo, all my contact information, and it's even gone out and looked for my most recent Zillow review. You can see right here, if I want to choose from a different review, I can just check on that. And also at the bottom here is a call to action. Now, I use text codes, but if you would like to make a different one, it's very easy. I'm just going to copy some text that I put over here and paste it into the call to action button. And I'll paste it there. Now, if you notice here, there's an opportunity. I've used this site already. So it's already got my headshot. It's already got my primary logo, and it's already got my default information. But the first time you use it, you're probably going to want to click and upload your headshot and your primary logo. I went over to my brand design center that's authorized by my broker. I downloaded one of our authorized logos, and I went ahead and uploaded it so that you can see that it populates right here. Now, I'm going to go ahead and confirm everything on the screen is accurate. And now here is the part that I really think is exciting. This right here is going to populate this QR code. So I want to send this traffic to my home valuation page. So here I am on my website. This is my home valuation page. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to grab that information. I'm going to paste it right here. And now it's going to update the QR code so that it's going to take that traffic to my website. But here's the best part. This is a dynamic code. So if I check the box right here, if anybody scans that property, that QR code, it's going to send me their contact information, their name, and the mailing address that's on this card. So I will know to follow up with them in the future. Going forward, I can choose how many houses I want to send this card to. I can send as few as 25 cards. I typically like to send 100, but in this instance, this is a very big neighborhood, so I'm going to go ahead and choose 200 cards. I can choose the nearest neighbors, as you can see right here, or I can choose the ones that are likely to sell. So it's going to go out to the data, and this list of information is absolutely free. It's with the price of the product. So I'm going to go ahead, choose next. There's another option that it can send a review card to my client. I'm not ready to do that, so I'm just going to say no thank you. And now it's going out and it's giving me authorization to pay. That was it. That simple. I can send a just listed or just sold card. If you'd like to try this, the information is below. Now, I will share with you, I am an affiliate, so if you use this, I'm going to make a few pennies, but I'll tell you what, it's been fantastic for my business, and I love it when someone in the neighborhood scans a card. I know who they are, and I can follow up with them immediately. I hope this has been beneficial for you, and you go ahead and give it a try.